Hello there. Well, it'll be a noisy start of the day in coastal regions as all the arcade machines are switched on, but this will soon give way to a wave of 8-bits coming in off of the Atlantic. Wales, Cornwall will experience high NES activity quite early on in the day, with Master Systems arriving in the Midlands by lunchtime. The 8-bit front will continue to spread across the more easterly regions. Kent and Essex could well see some Spectrums by tea time. Northern England, southern Scotland, well, they could be lucky enough to get some C64s in between Game Boys, but the further north you go, the more likely you'll be to run into some ColecoVisions. Heading south now, and the 8-bits will continue to accumulate, and we could see some 16-bit systems developing by the early evening. So, Mega Drives, SNESes, look out for some Amigas on the high ground. Overnight, and the rest of the country should eventually see their 8-bits develop into Atari STs. Even 1 or 2 Game Gears, which could linger well into the next morning in low-lying areas. So if you're heading out early, take some batteries. Looking forward to tomorrow then, and the 16-bits have been gathering overnight and they'll gradually be pushed out by an area of polygons moving in from the east. There'll be PlayStations all along the east coast by mid-morning, which in Scotland and the Highlands around lunchtime, and continuing to move across the country throughout the course of the day. This will be followed by N64s as the polygon count continues to rise, and there could well be some Xboxes as far inland as the Midlands. So an unsettled couple of days ahead, but plenty of opportunity for some retro gaming fun with games you loved. More updates? Follow Games You Loved on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook, and keep up to date by visiting www.gamesyouloved.com.